Hi guys, welcome to my channel Izuku Hari. So today I'm going to show you some of my GBL battles which I won. Actually I won a 4-0 set before that, so these are the prizes of those 4-0 set. So today I'm going to shoutcast my own battles. So actually I used different teams for the set. So if you like this content, please give it a subscribe and a like. I guess let's start it. By the way, don't my rating is pretty worst for rank 8. I know that. It's actually because of the Master League. I played it for just the Stardust. I actually used Ultra League team, so if I get time I would definitely try to shoutcast it, or maybe at least a video or a battle I will try to show it which I won. Yep, so let's begin. So actually the first battle is against a triple shadow team. I got a pretty good lead, but I delayed in my swap. But as you all know that Galarian Stunfisk is a beast, so my luck was that it was the best thing for him to do. He double shielded my Galarian Stunfisk Rock Slide. Actually I was lucky to get the two Rock Slide. I'm really happy about that, or else I might have lost maybe. So now my strategy was to simply bring the Umbreon because Marvel doesn't stand a chance against Houndoom. So I guess I went for the foul play, I guess. So Umbreon, as you all know, Shadow, he has a 20% attack boost, but Umbreon is a tank. So let's see. I guess he brought his victory bell back, and I took him down with a foul play, I guess. Yep. Umbreon did pretty good. It almost tanked many hits. So his last Pokemon was, I was expecting a third Shadow like a Machamp. I was scared about that, but it was just an Altaria, so it was my luck, I guess. Expected a Shadow Machamp. Yep. Now I guess I was planning to switch to Marvel, but I thought that I had Iron Head, not played off, so I waited for some time. But when I realized that I had played off, so I swapped and used my player off. I guess I should have swapped more fast. He got a lot of energy, but that's not the issue because I already have a shield. And I guess he got his second sky attack, but it's not very effective, so I guess I would win with a single player off. Basically I was kinda tense about that. So I guess I will show you another match where player off was like a tank. Sorry, the player off was not in this matchup, it was against some other matchup. So let's see. This is my second opponent. Oh my god, that name is pretty big. I can't pronounce it. Sorry for that. So let's see. Actually, this team is a triple shiny, huge flex. It was nice seeing those three shinies. So actually, I thought, why should I keep Steelix? I mean, my Tropius against the Steelix. So I did some relief blades. Then I planned to swap. Actually, I planned to swap to Azumarill, but I didn't. But my mistake helped me win this matchup, I guess. So as you can see, he brought a Gloom that to shiny. If I brought my Azumarill, it was game over for my Azumarill probably. Not the entire match, but I lost a nice lance which I could have used. But Tropius will now come and farm it down. That's a benefit. So I use a charge move. I guess it's a sludge move, so I shielded it. I was correct. So let's see. These are rank 8 battles, and my ELO is pretty low, so I won't get. I guess I won't. Means my opponents are sure to be hard, but I don't know, not that much hard, where it could be very hard to defeat or lose. So he got to his second charge move right now. So I guess it could be an Earthquake or a Crunch. I expected a Crunch, so I didn't shield it. So let's see. Earthquake doesn't do enough damage, and I brought my Azu against his Altaria. It's GG's. So if you have noticed, my Azumarill CP, it's just 1455, I guess. It's 1455 because I'm still level 34, and we need to be at level 36 to max our Azumarill for the Great League. And this is the match I am saying about 4-1. Means I lost this matchup. I had a very bad lead. I guess it would be better if it would have been a Razor Leaf. I could have at least come with my Altaria and take him down. I mean, I needed to shield those weather balls, but I might have had a chance. But Mud Bomb are not even doing any noticeable damage. But yep, I was planning not to shield for the next move, but he used his move at a time that I am supposed to shield, I guess. Oh, sorry, I guess I went wrong. Okay, let's see. The battle is going pretty fine, I guess. So I guess I lost it either way, but I guess I was lucky enough to at least see his second Pokemon. Yep. So my Wishcast is down. Actually, in all this GBL set, I was planning to use different Pokemons. I mean, not to use the same Pokemon every time. So I brought my Mew. It's a Snarl Mew. Actually, many might know, getting Mew a proper moveset is pretty hard unless you have fast teams and charge teams like hell. So let's see. I lost this matchup, but yep, I had fun. Yep. I was pretty impressed that Altaria could take it down. I mean, its health was pretty low, but here comes an Azumarill and it's a game over. Even if I had a Dazzling Gleam, I might have stood a chance against the Azumarill, but my bad luck, I guess. So let's see. It's a player of an Ice Beam Azumarill. If an Ice Beam, it's one. Yep, it's one shot. So the next battle. Here I'm using Altaria again because I felt pretty bad for my Altaria in the previous match, so I brought it again. Yes, those were the screen recordings which I showed you in the previous video. Here I got a pretty positive lead, I guess. Yep, Confusion Hypno not doing it's not doing super effective damage. It's doing resist means the damage is resisted. So yep, I connected the grass knot. I planned to use Wild Charge and Swap, but I felt like, why do we need to waste my Raichu? I felt it could be an MVP, but I swapped at this moment. I thought to swap. I used my shield. I swapped into my Haunter. Oh my god, the damage was like insane. Oh my god. If the cooldown didn't have the cooldown, I would have been like dead almost. And I'm pretty sure why did he brought it alone Raichu, but we will know the answer in a few minutes. Yep, he used the second shield. I thought my Haunter could have been dead, but my Haunter stood a chance against him. Yep, I got both the shields. Yep, Raichu is pretty down, but it has lots of health. I thought I should come and use my Wild Charge and swap, but I made a mistake, but not a big mistake. So let's see. I guess I remember. It's a Azumarill here, and the best thing for me here was it was a player of Azumarill. So, but still it's a player of Azumarill which does super effective damage. So let's see what happens now. I am lucky enough to get a second Sky Attack, but you will see now that it's a player of Azumarill. That's why I survived with some health. I used my Sky Attack. And you know the thing, Altaria can't beat an Azu, but I guess Azumarill got to his second move. If it didn't use its charge move, then Azu would be dead. But any case, Raichu comes back. If my Raichu had its defense drop, then I would definitely have lost. So this is the next battle. This battle was pretty insane. I used a Charmer in the lead. So let's see. I guess it's alright, I remember. It's a pretty hard match. I felt like I would lose, but Kingdra proved to be an OP mon. So he swapped into Skarmory. It did super effective damage. So I thought it was a Steel Wing Skarmory, but it was not. It was a normal 8-slash Skarmory. Alright, I just have a single move with my Skarmory. Even if I had Brave Bird or Flash, then I would definitely go for Sky Attack because it's a mirror match and I want to win the lead. Let's see. I guess I don't remember properly. Yeah, I remember now. Let's see. This match was pretty spicy, I guess. Right, I guess. I guess that Kami had a pretty good, decent attack IV. That's why it was winning the CMP ties. But I guess he was greedy to farm me down, I guess. Or he didn't calculate. I mean, he didn't count my fast attacks or somewhat. He didn't use his Sky Attack. And now he's using his energy. That's pretty insane, or to say I guess he was thinking I would use my shield for the switch advantage, but I brought my king draw. He swapped, and I should have swapped instantly to my Ninetales because I expected a play earlier for my king draw. That's why I didn't swap. So let's see, Ninetales against an Azumarill. I guess this match is pretty okay for me. Let's see. Yep, I remember it had. Alright, I don't remember now. Yes, it's had it. It is Ice Beam and a player of. It's pretty. Oh my god, I was little shocked to see a player of an Ice Beam. Generally, you see Ice Beam and Hydro Pump or player of an Hydro Pump. So let's see. Skarmory, I should have farmed it down. I was not calculating its fast moves. So here comes Raichu. I thought it was a game over, but I didn't. I don't know why didn't he use his fast charge move. I guess he would have easily got to his Thunder Punch if he had, or I guess he was using a different moveset. So that was it. I won 4 out of 5 match. Yep, that Abyss move was terrific mon against the team. So if you like this video, give it a like, and if you want more of my videos to see, then